Hi, everyone. So, coming at you with something that's been going on for the last few months. What can you do if you're in the United States and you can't travel out? So, this has happened frequently with many people. Several of our clients have come in, maybe with the tourist visa, usually. And due to COVID, they have been restricted on their travel outside of the United States back to their home country. So there are a few things that you can do, and should know in order to maintain your legal status here in the United States. So first things first, you enter the United States, it's really important that you find out what your I-94 date is. This date determines your legal status into the United States up to that date. Now, once you go online, you find that I-94 date out, and you figure out, hey, I can't enter it as a tourist. I have 6 months. Some of you might have entered last November. May came around. We filed an extension for you of that tourist visa, or maybe filed for a different status. Well, what do you do? If you filed that extension, you could request up to a period of 6 months. If you filed that back in May, November's coming along next month. What are you going to do? Well, the option is you file for another extension. If the previous one was approved, well, maybe we could consider alternative options, maybe other visas, an employment visa, for example, but it would need to be approved. Now, something that's very important, since most people are extending that tourist visa, you need to know that, yes, you're going to continue to file this extension so far as you're unable to travel outside of the United States and return to your home country. If at some point flights return, international flights to your home country are available, do not travel until after the biometrics appointment and that you've attended it. It's important that you do so, because if you travel beforehand, USCIS might consider that you've abandoned that petition and it doesn't look great on your immigration record. Not a deal breaker, but doesn't look great. Now, something that's very important, right? So you're maintaining the legal status throughout your term here in the United States, and you end up leaving once that I-94 date is up or right before it, everything was extended and approved. Just note that that tourist visa that you extended multiple times the stay you extended, but that tourist visa, once you try to re-enter in the future, might be void. The law kind of allows for that. There is CBP discretion, but the law allows for that. So don't be surprised if maybe in the future you do need to reapply for a tourist visa, and that's fine. It doesn't look bad on your record. All those I-94 extensions were approved here in the United States. So it's simply applying for a new visa and getting that up to date. Now, if you do have that approved I-94 and extension, consider other visas. Maybe there's something that you wanted to look into. If you want to invest maybe in the United States or employment in the United States, we can help you out with that as well, or a simple tourist visa extension. So if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to reach us at info@beltranbrito.com, and we'll be more than happy to take a look at your case or what possibilities exist for you, or simply renew that tourist visa. Take care, everyone.